Traders, Zelman here from thetradingteacher.com, or you can follow me on Twitter at tradingteacher. We're going to talk about BIOAQ July 24th, 2018. It's late evening now, but this is when I have a moment, so let's go further. Let's take a look at BIOAQ's daily chart. As you can see, the 9 cents was resistance confirmed today. Showed somewhat of a bearish engulfing candle, not yet fully confirmed, and the reason it might be why is because of the support uptrend. And don't forget the support right here. Let me zoom in on the hourly first. Let's see what this picture looks like. You see it's at support level. We want to see if it can bounce off this support level here. You know, it does look like it's at support level. We'll see what happens moving forward. I am not sure if it can hold here. If it does, especially at the open, and it shoots above, let's say it closes at 8 cents after the first, let's say after the first hour, it should be okay, and it should capture its losses. We won't know. We'll see. First hour is the most important time of trading in general. That's where most of the volume of that particular stock is trading in. So we would like the volume to be upwards. This would destroy the resistance bar that it just created and hopefully hunt down those 9s again. But we're not going to know until after the first hour, so keep your eye on BIOAQ. See if she can break through 8 cents by 10:30. If she does, could capture all of its losses and possibly break those 9 cents. However, if it breaks the support level, see how this uptrend continues going up? That's support. Every time frame, every day, support increases and it's supposed to go higher. Obviously, you would like to consider this as a good thing for buyers because you know if it stays above that level, it's only a matter of time before it goes into your favor. Okay, and you have another support level right here, which is pretty much a double support. And if you guys are still in this position and you didn't cash out earlier today, you know, I honestly think if it breaks under 686, it could head lower. It could bounce around the 5 cent level, but then you're looking from 9 cents to 5 cents. It's already half the price of its highs. This is why I always say take some profits off the table when it's nearing resistance. Just put some assets back into your account. You made money, cash out, take some profit. You don't have to sell everything, but just sell something. But right now it's at this level, and excuse me, just real quick. I always tell individuals if you do sell for profit, sell at least half if you're trying to hold on to see if it does something more miraculous. But remember, this is a penny stock. We have to trade it and not invest into them. And that goes for everything. You know, BIOAQ and any other stock that I post, you know, it's a hype. And you know, there's a lot of stocks that does real well. It's hyped up, and then you know, all these people start buying and it starts collapsing. That goes for a lot of stocks. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen to BIOAQ as of yet, but I think eventually it would. It's just you know, a ratio of statistics of stocks that perform really well then just collapse. You know, it's very rare. It's a real lotto ticket for a stock to be trading at a penny and shoots up to $2-3. Does it happen? Yes, it does, but not as often as a lot of people suspected to do. So anyway, BIOAQ, once again, you have 2 support levels. The 686 is the stronger one. If you haven't took something off the table yet, keep your eyes out for those numbers. See if they hold. If they hold, it's a good thing. If they don't, it could start trailing down to as low as a nickel. Maybe even more. It's a little too early to even state that, and the reason why I can't give you a better analysis moving forward is just because it does show a longer term trend of an upward trend. However, resistance just came into play, so it's in the battlegrounds, and it's a little cloudy information over here, and I cannot give you a greater information than what I gave you as of right now. But it still has this uptrend. It's still in the uptrend, still looking good. You know, if it could stay at this level or even higher by the end of this week, it does look good. We just want to make sure by the end of this week it's not below the 686. Once again, this is Zelman. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, or go to my website, www.thetradingteacher.com. And if you like this video, please like it on our YouTube page, Twitter, or whatever social platform you're using to watch this video.